The 2003 Ford F-150. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as a tachometer, an outside temperature display, adjustable pedals, and more. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio, a cassette player, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Come on in and take a test drive.